Hey man, this 3D printing stuff, I tried it. I know I went cheap because I was trying to learn how to do it, and it was kind of cool. But I ran into some people over here at my job that they're really into it, and he made me a couple of things. And it's almost making me want to get back into it. And I don't know. Y'all tell me what y'all think about some of the things that this guy has made so far. So obviously he saw the car and he knows I collect a lot of Deadpool things to go with the car to different shows and events and stuff. So he was like, I've been wanting to try to make some Deadpool stuff, so he made this bust. And I thought it was pretty cool. And he left it so that way I can paint it and fill in the colors however I want. And then he did this one to kind of show what it looks like if you filled in some of the coloring yourself. I thought those came out. I know those definitely come out. But I thought that was pretty cool. And he did this one, which is a little bit smaller, but even more detailed. You can see the bullets in there. The crazy detail on this thing. I tried it. My printer was cheap, like I said, and I had one good print. Everything else kind of messed up. It was spaghetti everywhere, but that's pretty cool. So he made me some other stuff. And honestly, I don't know how I feel about it. I just got to show you. This is 3D printed. Rubber band slide action. Let me get in the light so you can see the detail on this. .50 cal Desert Eagle style handgun. This is nuts. This is 3D printed. This thing looks real. The safety, the iron sights, the slide action, the magazine doesn't drop. I'm sure if he wanted to make it do it, it would definitely do it, but look at the detail on this thing. This is crazy. So I showed Lady Deadpool. The first thing she says is, Can he make you a second one? Deadpool's supposed to have two. She ain't lying. I said, hey man, can you make me another one? He said, sure. I said, how much do you want for it? He said, no charge. But that's not all he made. Keep in mind, I'm a helicopter mechanic. I'm an Apache guy. You know what an Apache is, and you know what an Apache shoots. So I asked him to 3D print something that the Apache shoots. Watch this. I didn't think he could do it. I was wrong. But I asked him to 3D print an actual size Hellfire missile. Y'all know me. If you met me in person, I'm not a big dude. That's the actual size of a Hellfire missile. He 3D printed an actual Hellfire missile. 2 specs. Now I said I'm a helicopter mechanic, so I know what it's supposed to look like. That's the specs of an actual missile, not a training round or a dummy. You can tell by the fins being detached. He 3D printed it all the way down to the eye that tracks the targets when you shoot it off the helicopter to blow stuff up. Actual size from a 3D print. These things are literally 100 pounds each. 100 pounds each on the helicopter. 3D printed. I can pick it up with one hand. It's nuts. I think I might get back in the 3D printing game because he's making it look easy. He told me his secrets. He told me what he's using to print them, how much they cost, where he gets everything from, and he'll show me how to do it. But the programs and the printer he uses, it's kind of idiot proof. He said the one I bought, it just wasn't self-leveling, and that was the problem. So I just have to spend a little bit more money, and then I can print my own toys for the car. So let me know what y'all thoughts are, man, because I think I might get back into 3D printing because there's some really cool stuff that I didn't think was even possible before I met this guy. And I've seen some stuff online, but nothing like that in person. Anyway, let me know what y'all think. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.